Okay, so here's a 26 gallons. Maybe it's more, gotta figure it out. Could be 63 gallons. Anyways, this is the portable system. It runs on the battery here, and this is show you. I turned the valve on, hooked up there. All right, look at that. Look at the power. Isn't that cool? Oh, that's really good power. Gravity fed, but it'd probably work even if I went up, you know, and raised it up. But we're gonna do a whole system like this, where you would you buy your own battery. We'll give you the pump. I'm not sure, this might be a 63 gallon, and then the hose setup, and the hose if you want it, 100 feet of hose, and you can use your own brush. And we got a solar pole coming, so depending if you want regular window cleaning, but the bladder is a really cool idea. I'm pretty sure that's a 63. Anyways, leave it to Simpo to come up with innovation. Alexander's, this is my new truck. I love it.